Welcome to the Knowledge Base community, a vibrant hub where learners, developers, and professionals come together to shape the future with technology. I'm Jayasuriya SM, and I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you through a 30-day weekend series focused on Azure AI. Every weekend, we'll dive deep into real-world use cases that showcase the power of Azure AI. Whether you're a beginner or someone with a bit more experience, we'll break down complex concepts into digestible pieces. Imagine building hands-on projects that not only enhance your skills, but also give you practical experience you can showcase in your portfolio. We'll explore how Azure AI can be applied in various industries, from healthcare to finance and even in creative fields. You'll see how businesses are leveraging AI to improve efficiency, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. Each session will be packed with insights that you can apply immediately, making learning not just theoretical, but practical and impactful. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Each day, I'll be sharing curated insights on AI, machine learning, and the latest trends in technology through our WhatsApp channel. Knowledge Base Community. This is your chance to stay updated with the fast-paced world of tech. You'll receive bite-sized information that you can easily digest and discuss with peers. Imagine having a daily dose of knowledge right at your fingertips, helping you stay ahead in your career and personal projects. This isn't just about learning. It's about building a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about technology and eager to share their experiences and insights. So, if you're ready to upskill and future-proof your career, this is the perfect opportunity. Join the movement, subscribe to our WhatsApp channel, and follow along as we explore the fascinating world of Azure AI together. Let's connect, learn, and grow as a community. Your journey into the future of technology starts here.